Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw statements from Bank of America into spreadsheets for automation. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the Bank of America website. Log into your online banking account. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Select the account for which you want to withdraw statements. Look for the Statements or Documents section. Click on the link to view your account statements. Choose the date range for the statements you wish to download. Look for the option to download as a PDF or CSV file. Select the CSV option for easy spreadsheet compatibility. Click on the Download button to save the file to your computer. Open Microsoft Excel or your preferred spreadsheet software. Locate the downloaded CSV file on your computer. Drag and drop the file into the Open Spreadsheet application. Or, use the File menu to open the downloaded file. Review the data to ensure all statements are present and correctly formatted. You may want to adjust columns for better readability. Save the file in your desired format for future use. You can now automate your tasks using this spreadsheet data. Close the spreadsheet application once you finish. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.